Hello and welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get free music and most importantly, copyright-free music from YouTube's very own audio library. In order to have access to the library, you have to have a YouTube account. If you don't have one, you can sign up and get a free YouTube account. When you get the account, you'll see on the top right corner of your screen your profile picture. Click on it, and in the window that opens, scroll down and click on YouTube Studio. After that, go to the left side of your screen and scroll down, and you'll see audio library. Click on it, and the screen of the audio library opens in front of your eyes. It is a very well organized site. You can see different columns here. The first one is the play buttons. You can listen to each and every one of the songs here in the libraries. You can start them and store them in the start folder. For example, you click on them and as many as you want, and they'll be stored in a separate folder and you can use them in future days. So let's continue. The second column, of course, are the titles of the songs and the music, all of them. The third column is the genre. You can see that you can choose music from different styles, genres, rock, classical, pop, ambient, anything. And if you want just to see music like only pop, you click on this right next to the top, and all of the column, the whole column will be with pop music. Then the next column is the mood. You can use different mood for your music depending what you need for your video. Inspirational, calm, funky, bright, funky, happy, dark, and so on. And the same thing applies here. If you click here and you would like to look only for calm music, mood, then you click here and everything will be calm. And the next column is, of course, the name of the artist that created the music. The next column is the duration of the music. You can change the duration to go from short to long duration, or the other way around, from long to short down. And the next column is the license type. This is a very interesting column here. You can see there are different buttons here. The play button actually is the better one. For me, I'm using it most of the time, and you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. The only restriction is you may not make available, distribute, or perform the music files from this library separately from the videos that you create, of course, and the other content in which you have incorporated these music files. For example, standalone distribution of this file is not permitted. Yes, and this is all. You can just download the title and use it in your videos, no questions asked. So, what is CC? CC actually is you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize, exactly the same like in the previous one. However, you must include attribution information in your video description. So you have to say that you are using this and attribute it to the artist that created it. So you just have to copy and paste this information, which is conveniently created for you by YouTube, and paste it in your video description. And that's all you have to do. And I usually use only the ones that doesn't require additional work. But of course, if you like the song, the music that needs attribution to the artist, then it's not that difficult to copy and paste this information in the description of your video. So let's go further then. And in order to search for music that you would like to play with your video, then you have to search the or filter the library. How do you filter the library? There are several things here to be considered. You can look for a different genre, and there are quite a few of them: alternative and punk, ambient, children's, cinematic, classical, country, folk, pop, rock, and so on. So you can choose one of them, for example country or folk, and click on apply, and then you can see everything changes here, and most all of them in genre are country and folk, but the mood is different. So you can choose here if you want only sad, or only calm, or dramatic, or anything. So you go down and choose your music. You have to listen, of course, first to the music before choosing it, just to see how it sounds. Let's say let's listen to this one, Daily Beetle. You click on it, it starts to sound, and you have the regular controls here, slider. You listen at the beginning. If you want to listen a little bit further, you move the slider even more further. You can control the volume and so on. Then if you like this music, you can download it by clicking on this icon or button here. Click on it, and then you choose the folder where to save it, and choose the folder and save it. But you see, this is the one that is requires attribution to the artist. So you just copy and paste this in your description. If you go down and listen, for example, to this one, and you like it, then you can see this one doesn't require attribution at all. You just click and save it in the folder of your design, and that's about it. But let's say that you would like, for example, to choose from the different moods, and you have a romantic video, and you would like to play romantic music. Click on the romantic mode, apply, and you can choose from the romantic music here in the library. Here we have a love song. You can listen to it. If you like it, you do the same. Click on the download button, and there you go. You save it in the folder of your choice. So this is all about the music, how you can get the free music, and of course it will be copyright free because it belongs to YouTube and they are offering this music for free and copyright free. There is another option though. Here you can even download sound effects, and for if you create a video for kids playing and things like that, for any other with any other topic, you can even search here again for track title, category, duration. Here the categories, and then you, let's say you choose animals and you would like to hear the sounds of animals. You go down and choose one of them, anything you want, like woodpecker pecking on tree. Look at this, and you do exactly the same. You can click on the button and save it in your folder, and there you go. You can have sound effects, you can have music, you can even save here on YouTube Studio in a special folder the music that you like when it starts on them, and you don't have to worry about anything that you violated the YouTube rules about copyrights and so on and so on. You don't have to worry that YouTube will send you warnings or strikes that you violated these copyright rules, because all this music is offered by YouTube in their audio library. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video will be helpful to you in your future projects. If you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. And thank you for watching, and have a nice and pleasant day.